All right, Minorcan Navy. Well, here we go down again, New Smyrna. This is a video from our Odyssey Memorial. Oh, wow. Yeah, there goes the guy angry at us. We were out working on the memorial, and he came up and tried to knock the drone out of the sky. But onwards to the New Smyrna History Museum. Quaint little building. Hey, look at there, right there. Antonio Andrew. That is the guy. That is the patriarch of the family over to this country. 15 years old when he boarded the ship in Minorca to come to this country to make a go at this settlement of Dr. Turnbull's at New Smyrna. Things did not go very well for Dr. Turnbull. A lot of the folks who came over, they came over as indentured servants. A lot of them wound up basically as slaves after the terms for their servitude were up. They were forced to stay on the plantation. You see a little picture there, graph of the plantation over current New Smyrna. And it was the largest plantation at its time, British plantation over here. Ran across this jewel from our friend Mike Lucina with the Minorcan Magic cast nets. This is something he made and donated for the museum, kind of representing the early fishing techniques of the Minorcans there along the east coast of Florida. No historical museum would be complete without a model shrimp boat. There's a beautiful one there. And that's our trip to the New Smyrna History Museum. If you're in the area, some really good history in there. Well worth the visit. Hey, thanks for spending a little bit of time with us here at the New Smyrna Museum. Leave us some comments. And if you haven't done it yet, click on that subscribe link. Hit that thumbs up. Hey, most of all, we want you guys to stay safe out there.